Hi folks, Dave Delauder, General Manager, Performance Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram. I just want to take a brief second just to explain to you the importance of tire, tread, and safety. Here in Ohio, if you don't like the weather, just wait 30 minutes, it'll change. And with the change of season comes variables: rain, snow, sleet, ice, even dry pavement. And for your vehicle, you want the most tread on your vehicle. Just an example, this vehicle just came in today, and to show you the difference between good tread and bad tread, look at this tire here. This tire is weak on the tread, slippery, and if you have kids like I do and a wife, you definitely would not want this tire on the vehicle that they're driving. Next to it is a brand new tire. The tread depth is deep. It's going to have the best traction and the most contact to the road. And I can't stress enough the importance of having that for the safety of your vehicle. So next time you're in for your oil and filter change, ask for a tire rotation and ask them to check the depth of tread of your tires. And to remind you, we do have a full array of tires for all makes and models here at Performance Chrysler Jeep Dodge and Ram. And remember, Sunday service hours, 9 to 5.